The Doogee V30 Pro is definitely one of the best feature-packed, rugged 5G phones of 2023. The device has a really nice design, and this is the second rugged phone to launch with a 200MP camera, and according to Doogee, it's the Samsung HP3. Now, this is also the second rugged phone to be powered by that Dimensity 7050. It's very identical to the Dimensity 1080, but it's still better than many 5G mobile processors. The rugged phone is also very affordable. I think you might be able to get it for about $300 or so. I'm only guessing, but it's going to be very affordable, I believe so. Anyway, other top features of the Doogee V30 Pro includes a 6.58-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display. The refresh rate is 120 Hz, which is very nice. The device also packs a 10,800 mAh battery, and it supports 33 watts fast charging. Not as impressive as the 120 watts that ships with the Oukitel WP30 Pro, but it's still a reasonably fast charging speed. The device also have stereo speakers, which is nice. It ships with the Android 13 operating system. It supports OTG, Wi-Fi 6, NFC. It has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, face unlock support, and of course, in the camera department, like I mentioned earlier, the device features a 200MP camera, followed by a 24MP night vision and a 16MP ultra wide angle lens. The front facing camera is 32MP. The camera is capable of recording up to 4K videos, and the device supports 4K video playback, which is very nice. 12GB RAM, and it packs a really large 512GB internal storage, which is more than enough for a lot of smartphone users. And since it's a rugged phone, it is rated IP68 and IP69K. It is also military grade standard A10H certified. So these are some of the top features of the Doogee V30 Pro. It's a very nice rugged phone. I think I compared it with the Doogee V31 GT. I don't know, but if I haven't done that, I think I will try and compare it with the V31 GT, which is also another nice Doogee phone with the Dimensity 1080 processor, which is identical to this processor, the Dimensity 7050. I'll try to compare both devices. Anyway, what are your thoughts about the V30 Pro? Feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.